Yeah, hi. In today's video, we are going to be doing an update on the OLSP Academy, and we're going to be doing a full review of OLSP Academy. Plus, we're going to do some of the updates that have happened recently, so it brings you smack bang up to date with how you can actually earn money with OLSP Academy. Also, stay tuned to the very end. I'm going to give 20 lucky people the chance to work with me in OLSP Academy, so they can start their own business online doing exactly what I do. Make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, for those of you who don't actually know OLSP Academy, make sure you stay tuned. This is inside my dashboard, and as you can see here, the commissions I've earned so far with OLSP. So let's just run through very quickly what the OLSP Academy is and then how you can actually get into the academy. And if you're very serious about this and you want to try and make money online and build your own business online, stay tuned right to the very end. I'll give you some information of where you can come and join me, and I will actually support you over the next 12 months. So OLSP Academy, this is exactly how you can actually go and start your own business. It gives you the full training inside. The training is free to take, and all you have to do is, once you're inside the dashboard, you go to the Training Academy here. And as you can see, we've got 5 different units here, and they're all sort of individual videos that you can go and watch. They give you steps to follow, such as the first video is join their Facebook group, join the live training, and obviously message your guide. Now, I can be your guide if you are serious, and I mean serious, about taking this opportunity over the next 12 months. Then stay tuned and I'll tell you exactly what you have to go and do. As you go through these units, you will discover what you have to do and learn more about the affiliate marketing business model. And along the way, you will be able to earn commissions by recommending other people to the academy, which again, like I say, is free to go and join. And if you look at the link in the description below here, if you just click on the #1 recommended way to make money online, just click on that link there. It will take you through, just sign, put your name and email into the box, and it will bring you through into the OLSP Academy, where you can start your training. Go through everything step by step, and obviously hook up with me as well. Now, if we go back to the dashboard here, this is the link that your mega link, which you have to actually share. So you can just copy and paste this and then share that link out. Of course, you've got loads of different ways that you can actually earn commissions here. There are upgrades within the system, and I would say that that is going to accelerate your earning by being a dominator. That said, I earned my first $600 in OLSP as a free member. So don't let that put you off. If you are really serious about changing your life in 2023, then make sure you check out the OLSP Academy. If you were previously in the OLSP Academy, go back and check it out. We've got some cool things that have just been added, such as the magic links as well. As a dominator, you get paid for people just to click on your links. How cool is that? We've got the up and coming events, and as you can see, they do loads of Q&As. You should do a VIP, a quick Q&A, Action Takers Q&A session, live Q&A sessions every Friday. There are also things like the huddles as well that you can actually get involved in. And if you click on the commission area and commission generator, this will show you here if there are any webinars, trainings or anything that are coming up in the near future. And you can then promote these separate to OLSP, but it could still get people into the back of OLSP as well. So like I say, loads of different ways you can earn, because you can earn from these actual trainings as well, because if people are giving away a product or a service on these trainings, then you can earn just by giving those away as well. And they don't even have to be a member of OLSP for you to actually earn that way. There are loads of different training replays here as well, and again you can promote these links individually. They are on various topics, all to do with obviously making money online, so it is all congruent exactly with the same niche that we are actually using. There are products that people can actually buy that will help them with their actual business. Commission lead machine is what a lot of people are using to generate leads, specifically off of Facebook. They've even got their own page builder here, which you can actually use to actually create your opt-in pages to pull people into the OLSP system. So as you can see here, guys, this system does actually work. The training is really good, and Wayne, the owner of OLSP, like I say, he is live most days answering questions inside the Facebook group. Like I say, Wayne is always inside the group, as well as there are thousands of people in there as well that were only too willing to help you. And as you can see here, more people obviously getting their commissions through. Lynn here is over $9,000 now. Plus, you can also obviously earn high ticket commissions as well. And you can do this even as a free member. You don't have to be upgraded. Obviously, if you are upgraded, you're going to earn more commissions with those high ticket products than you are if you're a free member. And that's the advantage of obviously being upgraded. If you are really serious about making money, and you want to work closely with me over the next 12 months so I can help you obviously build your business. There are a couple of things. Obviously, I say you do need to be really serious about this. You need to be able to take action. If you've got obviously some funds to invest, that would help. It's not essential because I can show you free ways to go and obviously get funds if you wanted to while you are still building your OLSP business as well. But I do need you to be action takers. I do need you to be able to put in the work. Building any business online is not a few clicks and everything happens. It is about taking action and working hard, as well as investing in your business. Certain tools that you may require that make your business obviously go to the next level. And if you're looking to do this and you want to come on board, then like I say, hit the link in the description below here. Head through the Training Academy. After the first actual video, it says here, message your guide. Now, when you message me there, then obviously tell me a little bit about yourself and tell me you've seen this video and you want me to work with me personally. I'm only going to give this opportunity to 20 people because I can't really work with more than 20 people because it takes up too much of my time. Obviously, I want to run my business as well. Plus, obviously, I've got other bits and pieces, YouTube channels and that I run as well. So 20 people. So if you want to do this, just get clicking that link right now. As I say, this is not going to be repeated during the year, guys. I want to obviously get that 20 people on board and work with them over the next 12 months. So that they can obviously start earning a passive income through the OLSP Academy. Once you've connected with me on OLSP, obviously I will come back and message you of where you can obviously go and get my private Facebook group where I can obviously then work with you very closely indeed. Lots of great things still happening with OLSP and I'm sure there's going to be lots of great things coming up in this new year. Wayne's always tweaking it and improving it all the time. So like I say, if you are really serious, then obviously get on board now. And again, if you have already been a member before and you've been underneath me before, then resurrect your account. Not going through the training again. And if you want to get hold of me, go to your leads here and then you've got a button here which will have my details above. You can connect with me on Facebook as well if you want, that's fine, but message me here. And if you do connect on Facebook, make sure you drop me a message and obviously tell me that you want to be one of my 20 people that I can help in 2023. Then I will know, because obviously I'll get lots and lots of friends requests, but I don't accept all of them. I look forward to helping you in 2023, but the OLSP Academy is a great way to start. Even if you didn't want to work closely with me, you want to just crack on, do the training there, follow the training through, get all the support from the Facebook groups and the Q&As and that every single week. It is a super simple business of which once you've got it up and running, can be sort of fairly automated, but it takes a while to do that and to get everything up and running. So I will see you hopefully inside the OLSP Academy, and I look forward to working with you soon. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you actually subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.